Dr. Wu again from ISSAQUAH Premier Dental. Welcome to our second video. First of all, I just want to say a big thank you for all the love and support from the first video. We got over 1,700 views, so that was amazing. Thank you. So we're going to do a second video today because everything's kind of shaping up, so we wanted to give you a second tour and see how it's looking. So first, we're going to look at our waiting room. Back then, it was just all framing. Now you can start to see the wall, see some of the lights here. If you turn the other way, you can see the reception. We have this nice 3D wall here, and you can actually see the soffits and the ceiling and the light now. So that's pretty cool. So coming this way, we have the consult room. It's starting to look like a real consult room. We have glass here. On this side, the piano. So just a quick little mini tour here. I don't think we showed you guys this last time. This is our break room. And I'm super excited about these lockers. I know it's like a little thing, but I'm super excited about it. And we're gonna have our laboratory here where a lot of the behind the scenes stuff happens as well. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so back on track. We have the piano room. We got a console. And then now we're here in the bathroom where they're trying to put some tiles in. A little Dr. Snook here. And now to our hops. So this is really exciting for me. Today is the first time I saw these turbo clocks. So here you go. These are our turbo clock cabinets. Some nice countertops with some nice cabinets here. So it's pretty cool to see it come to life. I only saw them in drawings, so it's pretty nice. You want to say hi? Hi. He's in charge of our cabinet, making everything look nice and clean and awesome here. And that's pretty much it. We're going to do another video once everything is done. So a couple things. We are opening on September 22nd. That's Friday at 4 to 7. That's our open house and our grand opening. Mayor Butler is going to be here to cut the ribbon. So it's an open house. So if you guys want to come, please do come. And you can see our address in the Facebook page. Another thing, we just launched our website, so please visit our website and check us out, www.ISSAQUAH PREMIERDENTAL.com. So thank you for joining us in the second tour, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you.